Light Mag. 4.6 earthquake, Banda Sea, Indonesia, on Monday, June 12, 2023 at 5:21 p.m. local time, according to the Raspberry Shake reported. Updated, June 12, 2023 8:46 Greenwich Mean Time 19 minutes ago. Refresh. I felt this quake. Quake data, interactive map, user reports, earlier quakes here, quakes in Indonesia, quakes in OR Near East Timor, Municipio de LAUTEM, BAUCAU, Maluku. Light magnitude 4.6 earthquake at 271 kilometers depth. This quake is 100 accurate, and do not forget to share our videos. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.